I love Zaf. We play for Zaf every week almost. He's a dope rapper. I love him, man. And thank you Live On Air for giving One Mic Night a new home. You know, One Mic Night is a great vibe. You know, we had a whole family built around One Mic Night, and it was great. So what I'm going to do for you right now is one of Ruckus's original songs. Ruckus was the house band of One Mic Night, and we are still together. And we will be coming back soon, very soon. We couldn't do it this week, but we will be back very soon. So right now we're going to do one of an acapella of one of our songs called Shadow Wars. Peaks and valleys might serve for ornaments of life's purpose, but the center folds, and you seek so badly to be torn divergent that when you see the fallacy, you scorn the environment when it shows the mire, and a liar's bent reality never goes into retirement. Depending on their tendencies, they build up a finer scent. Spend every day trying to find a cent, then every other day seem to find the last dime spent. Same old rigmarole, it's painstaking. Now I'm fixing a hole where all the rain gets in that keeps my mind from wandering. But when it goes nowhere, I sleep with a wide, somber grin deep inside. I'm calm during interactions with people. In certain factions, it's sheep's wool that hurt my back to reap. So especially in persons that infect pink bullshit, the stress pressures me and turns feelings to facts. I suppress integrity, spurn healing, test the presence and see burnt ceilings and bridges. My stomach churns, I'm reeling in ditches of my own self-will, run rampant, and the pain won't be quelled till I tell this cane is going to help me chill. I use a mask as a weapon for shelter, rather than choose to ask someone to step in or help. I heard that strife ends, and yet to my surprise, all my lies and silence only whet my disguise. And I met my demise when I drastically expanded my introvertedly selfish ego, practically left stranded by kinfolk fervently yelling, please open up honestly. Knowing apologies bring on stress, I can't possibly confess, so I commence a string of confess. So when trust constantly reveals itself in tests, I don't cheat and steal, but stealth helps me rest. I don't cheat and steal, but stealth helps me rest. I don't cheat and steal, but stealth helps me rest. My favorite hiding place is a thumb-sized Ziploc. I savor it, fighting cases of drip. Watch, my mind's a spastic peril. It's closed with no way out, so I put the plastic barrel to my nose and I blow my brains out. Thank you.